Hallo und herzlich willkommen zu einer
Hello and welcome to another edition of KNIPEX Workshop TV. I'm Mark Schneider. I'm a KNIPEX product manager and responsible for cable processing. Today's topic is automatic stripping of stranded wire cables and solid conductors. Clean cable stripping is a prerequisite for the subsequent crimping process. Automatic stripping is of particular interest to professionals. The focus is on speed, accuracy, and reliability. Those are also the strengths of our PreciStrip16. With this model, we have created the most refined automatic insulation stripper ever. For us, this means a huge capacity range from 0.08 to 16 square millimeters. That also applies to the cable cutter on the upper part of the pliers. Solid conductors of up to 6 square millimeters can be cut, as well as stranded wire cable up to 16 square millimeters. The result is a particularly smooth and clean-cut surface. The risk of accidentally cutting through a cable is considerably reduced. That is because the cable cutter is always in view. However, this latest version offers much more. The PreciStrip16 has the ideal combination of the 4 most important elements. These are the semicircular clamping jaws, the interlocking teeth, the parabolic blades, and the adjustment options. Put all of these together, and this is what sets these pliers apart. The semicircular clamping jaws ensure that the cable is centrally placed in alignment with the parabolic blades. This is the ideal position for a clean cut. The cable is held at exactly this point during cutting, while the interlocking teeth ensure that it stays in place. The comb-shaped structure means that the teeth are not affected by dirt, such as talcum powder, greatly reducing any unintended slippage of the cable. It's exactly this combination that makes the PreciStrip16 so effective with smaller diameters. The parabolic blade really shows its worth during cutting. It cuts cable insulation much more effectively than, for example, a straight-edged blade. Of course, this also applies to solid conductors. The cutting depth of the blade can be set using the adjuster wheel. This means the cut can be set for particularly hard or soft insulation materials. The adjuster wheel has a total of 16 different settings. Temperature fluctuations at work are also compensated for. Our aim is to make your working day easier. The pliers offer so much more than just perfect wire stripping. Switching the blade unit has become much easier. This can be done quickly in a few simple steps. That's it. The clamping sleeve on the handle has a space for you to write your name. In addition, the pliers have a tether attachment point for fall protection. This is designed to work perfectly with KNIPEX tethered tools. I'll show you briefly how it works. Thread through the adapter strap. Pull it and tighten it. Then attach it to a carabiner. That's it. To conclude, the KNIPEX PreciStrip16 is the ideal choice for frequent users who appreciate speed and precision. And if you ask me, I think these are really good.